Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We warmly welcome to you in our channel Integration TV. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Dear viewers, we are discussing the 40 rules of love by Molana ROM. They are rule number 4. Intellect and love are made of different materials. Intellect ties people in knots and risks nothing. But love dissolves all tangles and risks everything. Intellect is always cautious and advise beware too much ecstasy. Whereas love says, oh, never mind, take the plunge. Intelligence does not easily break down. Whereas love can effortlessly reduce itself to rubble, but treasures are hidden among ruins. A broken heart hides treasures. I am going to elaborate on this rule by using a quote from Urdu poet Allama Iqbal. Knowledge said to me, love is madness. Love said to me, knowledge is calculation. O slave of calculation, do not be a bookworm. Love is presence entire. Knowledge nothing but a veil.
अल्लाह से करे दूर तो तालीम भी फितना, अमलाक भी, जागीर भी, औलाद भी फितना, ना हक के लिए उठे तो शमशीर थी फितना, शमशीर ही क्या, नारे तकबीर भी फितना.
Dear viewers, this was a rule number 4. We'll discuss rule number 5 in our next video. If you did not subscribe our channel, so please just do it and get our new videos. Jazakallahu khaira. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.